Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you are first to get my videos. In today's video, I'm going to be making donut cakes. Okay, so basically they're little molds for making donuts, but with a cake batter. And so I'm just showing you just a simple cake batter. Use whatever you want, but I suggest not too moist because it could break very easily on you. And you know, this is what it looks like when it's done. And I will go ahead and start putting the batter in the mold. So this is a silicone mold. I got it from AliExpress. And this one I forgot to spray the inside for the sticky part of it so it doesn't stick. But a word of advice that I didn't realize I didn't do, that the little part that creates the hole, make sure that do have enough spray on it, because that could cause the cake slash donut to break while coming out. Okay, so I'm just gonna go around, and if you have a better way to like a funnel or something to put these in, that would be great also. But I did some other cakes that day as well, so I just used some of the leftover batter in order to create this for a little show, to show you how it works and how cute it is if you want donuts but you don't want to do the frying. They're kind of small, but you know, with not overeating, it's easy and fun dessert, you know. So I will go ahead and bake that with the other cakes that I'm doing. I'll link the videos to those cakes as well, and this is what it look like when it's done. So I'll be taking them out, and just to show you how they came out. One of them did break, but it's okay. It was just a test, and I completely forgot which one I didn't spray, so I couldn't say if that was the one that broke. So that's what they look like. They're so cute. You know, look at that. So cute, cute. That's one that broke. So I'm gonna put them away because I wasn't ready to do my little decoration yet. So I went ahead and put them in the refrigerator for the day because I was doing actually a dinosaur cake. So I'll link the video so you can see that. And so I'm ready the next day to decorate. I didn't know what I wanted to do, and I still had some of my cake supplies out, and instead I decided to use the white chocolate melt and a little bit of dye that I had. So I used the purple, and I think it was like an orange, but I didn't put a lot of the orange, so it didn't turn that much. But I just wanted different colors just to see what it would look like. I've seen these on Pinterest where they have like fondant flowers in a corner, and they're so cute. I do have fondant flower silicone molds as well, but I ran out of fondant, so I didn't have any to use. So I did buy some butterflies and flower wafer paper from AliExpress as well. So I will end up using that. So I just went ahead and dip it in, and just go ahead and fix it. I have my spatula, my cake spatula, you guys. I don't know why I don't use it, but sometimes the back of the spoon is just fine. And this is another way that you don't have to be a professional to make cake for your family or dessert for your family. You don't need all this stuff. So just to show you another way to do it as well. So yeah, the day I did a dinosaur cake, and prior to that, the dinosaur cake, I did the dinosaur mold from silicone with chocolate melt and the silicone molds that I had bought as well. So I'll link those. One I'll link it before and one after the making a mold. And hey guys, if you haven't done by now, please take this time to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you are first to get my videos. Yeah, so one of the videos that I'll link is making a dinosaur with the silicone molds, and the other one that I'll link is also the dinosaur cake and how I applied the dinosaur out of chocolate melt on top of the cake that I made. So I did the cake that day with the little round cake that you saw earlier. That was the volcano. So it'll all make sense when you see it. So, but I had these, and I remember they came in. I washed them up, dry them off, and I wanted to try. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick that in the refrigerator. And now it's hard, and I thought I wanted to do the fondant on there, but I realized that, you know, hey, I didn't, those fondant right there was not gonna work. So I ended up doing the flower and the butterfly, but it's best to do it while the chocolate is still melted and not hard, because it's easier to stick. And I would have really wanted to do the fondant flower decorations on there, but it was just for a little video just to see how cute these would be for a little treat if you don't want to go to the donut store and eat those awesome donuts that's in there, but you kind of want it to be not as big or not as crazy, and you don't want to do the frying. This is a cute way to bake them. Just use a cake batter and put them in a mold, and there you have it. So let me know what you think. And these are cute little extra desserts for like little parties. You could have the Rice Krispie treats, the little donut treats, pretzel and dipped in milk. You know, different little treats you could have, and this is just one of them. Again, the size is not as big as those donuts at the donut shop. Maybe it's one of the smallest chocolate, but even my favorite one that's chocolate, the smaller chocolate from the donut shop, those are kind of fat, like in the body size of it. These are not that big. They're kind of slender and smaller, so eating one you don't feel that guilty, you know. So, and if you want, I guess you could try and cut it down the middle and stick it with something, but that's just too much. It's put in a chocolate melt or icing on top or fondant, whatever you want to decorate it. Check out Pinterest. There's lots and lots and lots of cute, beautiful little donuts decoration that you could do. So I'm just trying to get these wafers to stick on there because again the chocolate was hard, and I just used regular water and set them down. But there you have it, the little butterfly, and how cute that is. They're delicious and yummy. So I just thought I would share with you a cute little idea for your family party, picnic, dessert, whatever you have. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please don't leave without subscribing. Hit that notification bell so that you're first to get my videos. Take care now.